Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a winter wheat field located in western Kentucky, where a 240 engine horsepower, 204 bushel John Deere 9510 Maximizer combine is harvesting the crop 25 feet at a time with a John Deere 925 grain table. In this video, I would like to share with you the combine's production history, specifications, and original price tag, as well as take viewers on a ride in the combine's cab to see the farmer's perspective of harvesting this wheat crop. But first, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear all the harvesting action. The 9510 Maximizer combine is a direct upgrade to the original 9500 Maximizer combine introduced by John Deere in 1989. It is the mid-size model in the 10 Series Maximizer lineup that also includes a 182 bushel Model 9410 and a 240 bushel Model 9610. The 10 Series Maximizer combines were manufactured by John Deere at its Harvester Works located in East Moline, Illinois from 1998 through 2000. The 9510 Maximizer combine is powered by an 8.1-liter John Deere PowerTech turbocharged 496 cubic inch 6-cylinder diesel engine rated at 240 horsepower. It's fitted with a 140-gallon diesel fuel tank and features a 3-speed variable hydrostatic transmission. The 9510 Maximizer combine features a conventional threshing system with a 26-inch diameter, 55-inch wide Raspar spike tooth cylinder. It features 4 straw walkers that work in a 9,703 square inch separating area. The straw walkers help shake out the grain from the crop material. The grain is deposited in a 204 bushel grain tank and is unloaded through a 21-foot unloading auger at 2 bushels per second. When the combine rolled off the assembly line in East Moline, Illinois, it weighed in at 22,910 pounds. The list price for the John Deere 9510 Maximizer Combine when it was brand new was $145,292. Customers that ordered it with a 25-foot wide John Deere 925 grain table, like the one that you see harvesting wheat in this video, would add an additional $17,353 to the price tag. I'm up in the cab of the John Deere 9510 Maximizer Combine. This was a really nice late 1990s, early 2000s machine, and we can see the cab layout here. And we've got the steering wheel and all the controls over on the right side, as well as your monitor up on the cab post, and air conditioning bank, as well as your gauges. Good view out of the cab. Got the mirror, easy access into the cab, and of course I'm sitting in the buddy seat, which was a nice addition when John Deere introduced the Maximizers and upgraded from the Titan machines. Their stick over here controls everything from forward motion to controlling the header to the different buttons to raise and lower to catch the wheat. If you have a little down spot like here, you can drop down and then pick it back up and continue to harvest. The cab has a rear window, which you can see back here is completely full of wheat at the moment. And there's also additional instrumentation and information up here on the different parts of the controls. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field seeing and hearing this John Deere 9510 Maximizer Combine at work. I'd like to hear in the comment section below this video if your farm raises winter wheat. Tell me about the combine that you run to harvest it. If you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional content from the channel, continue to watch for a few more seconds to the end screen for a direct link to more Big Tractor Power YouTube videos. As always, thank you for watching.